Welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn how to launch Microsoft Excel 2016 application, and we're also going to do an interface tour by looking at the features of the application. So just like you've been launching the other applications, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, you're going to do the same here. So all you need to do is to go to Start button, and you're going to come to the list of the programs. I have it under most used applications, but I'm going to go to E, where we have the application. Can you see it here? Excel 2016. So I'm going to select it, and it's going to load. Right here now we have a blank workbook, and we have templates that we can work with. So if what you want to work on is related to all these templates, you can make use of them. Do you understand that? But if not, you have to create your own blank workbook. So you're going to start afresh to build the workbook. I hope you understand that. So you're going to have existing, let me say, recent workbooks that you've worked on here. So because I've not worked on anything, so I have it empty. But by the time I start working, then I'm going to have them here. Do you understand that? So that's the way it works. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to launch this particular one. Let's open the personal monthly budget template. So I'm going to launch it, and right now it has brought me here. So it's been loaded now, and here it is. So this is what you could achieve with Excel. So by the time we're done with Microsoft Excel course, you will be able to do something like this easily. Do you understand that? It's not rocket science. There's nothing there. All you need to do is just to follow what you see me do. I can bet you that at the end of the day, you'll be able to do things like this. It's not difficult at all. I hope you're following. So right now, when you hear the word workbook, you'll be wondering, what does it mean? Just like when you're in PowerPoint, you're talking about presentation. Here, it's a workbook. And a workbook is simply a single Excel file that is containing one or more worksheets. So if you have a sheet on Excel application, it's a workbook. If you have two on one Excel file, it's a workbook. Do you understand that? So just like when you have a document that has several pages, do you understand that now? So on Microsoft Word, and when you have a presentation that has many slides on PowerPoint, so the same thing is what we have here. So you have a workbook that has several sheets. Do you understand that? So this is a sheet now, for example. This is a sheet where you can work on. Do you understand that? So that's why people call Excel a spreadsheet. Do you understand that? So let's quickly do an interface tour now for you to see some of the features you have on Microsoft Excel. You know, some of the things you're going to be seeing there are similar to what you've been seeing on other applications. I mean, other Microsoft Office applications. If you remember, we've dealt with the quick access toolbar, which is right here. You can customize it to add more commands or remove some commands from here. Do you understand that now? So it's very simple. You can also show this quick access toolbar below this ribbon here. Do you understand that? So you can add more commands, which I demonstrated when I was dealing with Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can go back to that video to learn more on that. Do you understand that? So also we have the what we call title bar. Look at the name of this sheet, of this workbook, and this tells us that this is the application processing this. Do you understand that? Now, this particular one, when you select it, you have three things there. Auto hide ribbon, that is if you want this ribbon to be hidden, you can hide it by using this option. So if you want the tabs to show, that is all the tabs only, can you see that show ribbon tabs only? Click a tab to show the commands. So if you want the commands to show, so if you want the ribbon tabs to show without the commands, you can do it. So the only time you get to see the commands is when you click a tab. So let's say, for example, we say auto hide. Can you see that we can't see the ribbon again? But when you come back here and you say show tabs and commands, it's going to restore it back. Everything will be back. But we also have another one there, show tabs only. It will hide the commands under them. So when you click the tabs, the commands will come out, but when you get out, the commands will be hidden. Do you understand that? So these are things that you need to know. I hope you're getting it. So you also have, so I'm going to bring back tabs and commands because I want everything to show. So we also have minimize button, we have the restore down and maximize button, we have the close button here to close this application, and we have the ribbon in place. On the ribbon we have the tabs, and the tabs are not too different from what we've been working with on Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. The only notable difference will be the formulas and data tabs. Do you understand that we're familiar with file, home, insert, page layout, review, view? So, but these formulas and data are quite different. So also if you go to insert now, there will be some of the commands there that are different from what you saw on Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are the little differences that you're going to see. Even on home tab, you're going to see that there are some groups and the commands there that are different from what you worked on Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. I hope you got that. So, but the structure is still the same. So I'm going to move on now to this particular place, which we call name box. So it gives you the name of each cell that you're working on this worksheet. Do you understand that now? So if you're in a particular cell, let's say, for example, I'm here. What's the name of this cell? The name of this cell is C4. If you look at it now, this is C. Can you see that? And this is 4. So the column is C, the row is 4. So it's a combination of your column and row. So do you understand that? So you have C4. I hope you got that. So that's the way it works. Is it very clear now? Good. So if I click here now, this is going to be C7. Can you see what we have there? So this is the name box that gives you the name of a particular cell that is currently active on your workbook. Do you understand that? So when you hear an active cell in a worksheet, it means the one that you're currently working on, the one that has this box around it, is the active cell. Do you understand that? So very good. So we're going to move on now to look at the formula bar. Here you have to, type your formulas and all that. You can also use it to input text and numbers, which we call value, into your worksheet. Do you understand that now? So these are things you could do. I hope you got that now. So what you have here now, if you click a cell, you're going to see that content here. So you can edit from here or edit right in the cell. Do you understand that? So I'm going to move on now to the scroll bars. We still have them, the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar. Do you understand that? So now if you look at this place, you're going to see the name of this sheet. So you could have as many sheets as possible within a workbook. And you get what I'm saying? You can name them. And you get what I'm saying? The name given to this sheet now is what you're looking at. You're going to learn how to rename a sheet later. I hope you're getting it. So these are things that you need to know. So here is the name of this sheet, but this particular space is your worksheet. Do you understand that? Just like you have slides in PowerPoint, here you have worksheets. Do you understand that? So if I click plus now, it means I want to create a new worksheet. So if I click now, you will see that another sheet has been created here for me. Do you understand that? So I can have more of that by clicking plus and things like that. Do you understand? You're still going to learn how to do all this. I just want to show you that quickly. I hope you got that. So if you now look at this place, you see your status bar. Can you see? We still have it here. Then right here you have your normal view. You have your print layout. Do you understand that? This is your page layout. You have your normal view. You have your page break preview. Then you have your zoom here. Do you understand that? To increase your screen, just like you've been doing under Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. I hope you understand that. You also have your taskbar where you have the applications that are currently open. Do you understand that? So these are things that you need to know about your Microsoft Excel. So we're going to be looking at all the commands that are under the tabs on the ribbon very soon. So we're going to be dealing with some of the commands there. You get what I'm saying? So just take your time to go through some of the features we've just considered now on your own. When you look at all this, you have A, B, C, D. They are the column names, while 1, 2, 3 and the likes are the row names. Do you understand that? So these are rows. Do you understand that now? While these are columns. So your columns are always vertical while your rows are horizontal. So you need to know that. I hope you got that right. So you now know how to get the name of a cell. So if I'm here now, this is an active cell now. Do you understand that? So the name of this cell is C2. C and 2. Can you see that? So that's how to do that. I want to believe you've learned something serious from here. See you in the next video. Thank you.